going on, guys? So today we're gonna have a little run out to Mexico. It's raining outside. It just started storming, and I got a phone call that a few guys are going out. So we're gonna go meet up with them. I think that like Lee and Eric and everybody, that whole crew will be out there on top of Jason Kastner with his VK car. So this actually might be pretty sweet if he shows up. I'm hoping he's there, and if he is, cool. If he's not, oh well. So all right, guys, let's go head out because it's storming. Good sliding weather. See you guys over there. Just out here on the pit bike, filming. This thing is so dope, man. This fucking pit bike is throwing down today. Wheelies left and right. So much better after the rebuild. Again, thanks to Matt Sixberry for this thing over at Sideways Fab. I just threw new plastics, powder coated some shit, you know, all that stuff. Looks pretty cool. All right, let's get these dudes drifting. Get it! So awesome. It's actually sweet, and our buddy Jason's out here with his VK swapped S13. It's badass. Shit is so sick. VK swapped, it's fucking dope. I'm kind of like displeased that I decided to go LS, like, especially since my ship blew the fuck up. Hope he does like another really long e-brake entry and just gets wild right here. I'm gonna try to get it from like... guys, so just got back from Mexico, and today was an absolute blast. It was actually pretty fun. Got soaked, so thankfully I'm back in work clothes, whatever. But yeah, it was really wet out there. Everyone got soaked, and it was a great time for drifting. Nobody had to change tires once. Jason's VK car was fucking sick. That VK is nasty as hell. Lee broke his car, and I think the other kid, his name was Sean. He broke his car and went off the road really far. It was pretty funny to watch. It was real funny. But that's besides the fact. Anyways, alright guys, if you like what you saw and everything, go ahead and like and subscribe down below. On the next episode, I know I promised on the last one this was going to be my wheel unveiling and everything. We went out and we did all the drifting stuff, and I just kind of wanted to share this with you guys before my wheels. And the next one is going to be my wheel unveiling. You guys will see what kind of wheels I'm running and the specs on them and how they look on the car. I'm really excited about that. So, alright guys, go ahead and like and subscribe. See you on the next episode. Peace.
Damn, nigga, I had that shit. Fucking had that. Nigga. Slick, nigga.
Nigga, you being a bitch.
Nah, nigga, look at that. I had that. Fuck you mean? Look at that. Oh, shit, nigga.
Send it.
Send it.